Want to program a key fob for your 2017-2020 GMC Yukon yourself? It's increasingly feasible thanks to affordable OBD2 scan tools. You'll need a compatible scan tool, a blank GM key fob, and access to your Yukon's OBD2 port. The process involves connecting the scan tool to the OBD2 port. Next, access the body control module using the scan tool. Enter programming mode, often requiring VIN verification. Sync the new fob by following the tool's instructions. Finally, test the fob to ensure it works. For lost keys, you'll need to erase all existing keys and reprogram. Remember, GM uses rolling codes for security, so precise timing is crucial during programming. If anything goes wrong with DIY programming, the dealer still charges $5,250, but DIY saves 60 to 80% on costs. Key fob tech, trends, tips, and warnings. Keep your scan tool's firmware updated to avoid bricking your BCM. Trends are moving toward digital keys and app-based solutions, although native support isn't available for these Yukon models yet. Low-cost scanners are readily available, with some integrating AI for easier programming in the future. Always back up your ECU data before starting. While DIY can save money, be aware that failure rates exist. A final word of caution: double-check that the key fob you purchase is the correct one and is compatible with your car. Now you know how to program key fobs for 2017-2020 GMC Yukons yourself.